Last September, our real estate market entered into a seller's market. Now, while some of the Chicagoland suburbs saw this trend already start over the summertime, September was the first time that our entire MLS shifted into inventory with less than 3 months supply, really triggering that seller's market. Now, today we're going to be looking back at the past year to see where we've gone and what effect this has had on inventory and prices, and of course get you caught up on all those numbers here in today's Chicagoland real estate market update. Hi, I'm Jake Tysiak, that guy that sells houses, a realtor here in Illinois, and today we're going to be talking about the Chicagoland real estate market. We're also going to be focusing on some key numbers in regards to DuPage County and Will County, and also following a little bit along lines of foreclosures, looking at delinquencies. But let's start off as we usually do, talking about the average sold price. So here across the entire MLS, our Chicagoland area saw an average sales price of $345,077, which that yearly average sales price did increase 14.7% when we compare it back to last September. Now, DuPage County, your sales price was just under $400,000, and that does represent a 12.3% increase when we look back at last year, and Will County was just under 14% at 13.8%. Now, those average sales prices have been increasing for the past 16 consecutive months. That's been brought on by so much demand. And when we do look at our amount of closed sales, we saw 13,500 closed homes last month. Now, along those lines, we've also been focusing on new listings as we want to see a return to inventory. However, those numbers, while staying fairly consistent with the past 3 years, were on the lower end for both September and August. Now, really, this isn't that big of a surprise when you consider the fact that August was a huge travel month. It always is, but this year was a little bit different with so many people having the opportunity to finally get out. I feel if that combined with the fact that the kids are starting to return to school, saw a bit of a slowdown with the amount of new listings coming onto the market. Now, we are definitely going to be keeping an eye on October, and hopefully we see those numbers slightly increase to the higher end of that range for October. Now, while we did not see as many new sellers come to market, the buyers were definitely still there. Last month, we saw 13,000 homes go under contract. Now, when we look at these numbers, these are a lot closer to our 2020 numbers, which have been elevated as they were compared to 18 or 19. So combine those two facts, when you look at the amount of homes for sale, those numbers saw a decrease as well, down 4.6% for the entire MLS, with DuPage County 6.3% down and Will County was 8.2% down. And with so much demand from buyers and so few homes, we did see our inventory levels fall again as well. Now, switching gears to finance, when we look at foreclosures, our delinquency rate, far as mortgages that are delinquent, did fall again, down to 4%, so some good news on that front. Now, with sales prices still increasing, are appraisals an issue? Well, if you're curious, you're going to take a look at our video up here. And of course, if you want your own neighborhood market update, take a look down below. I'm Jake Tysiak with Keller. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.